In this video, we'll be talking about Struggle Doge or SDOGE token, currently priced at 7 cents, down 19% for the day. The volume is at 6 mil, as you can see right here, yeah, it's been in the red on CoinMarketCap. But yeah, where can you buy the token? This is the first question a lot of people will ask, and you can actually buy it on PancakeSwap. I hope MEXC lists it as well, so you have the low fees plus the chance to win a Tesla. Right now, you have the competition going on to win a Tesla. Check it out. If you sign up using my link in the description down below, you can benefit from that. We'll talk about Struggle Doge, but before that, slap the like button or I'll slap you. Subscribe because I'm trying to hit 50k subscribers right now. So what do we know about Struggle Doge? Aims to do its best to help more vulnerable groups in need. White paper, Twitter, Chinese graph, English telegram. Telegram. Come on, this is so... I do not like that. This is a fail. Metaverse is the world's first quantitative investment tool platform based on decentralized meta universe. It is also they are just using the metaverse keyword right here. Buy now, block query address, Struggle Doge. In a dog world, there is a dog named Struggle, code named Doge. It's not real. Look, this is a meme coin. Here's the theme. That's good. There's a roadmap. First quarter of 2022, so it's a new project. The first one, home, about, ecology. There's no company information or copyright at the bottom, no email. Maybe it's in the about section. Yeah, there's no email. That's not that good. Here the tokenomics. Let's check out the contract. To see if there's anything interesting, and I want to see if whales are buying or selling the token as of right now. Left token is definitely dumping right now. We had a double top down. It's definitely descending right now. Lower high right here. We definitely have some support around the 5,000 area, but it's not looking good. It might just hover around here, and it might have another push for a 2x, but that might be a push due to low liquidity, just like we had here, which is actually a very bad sign because only $100,000 liquidity. Yes, market cap is low, but this push for a 2x was probably from a few big purchases. So yeah, the volume for the day is very high for the market cap. This is very strange. I probably wouldn't be buying any. I want to see the holders. Are the whales buying or selling any? This whale has only been buying, which is a good sign. This whale has been selling some. Yeah, whales aren't selling, but at the same time, I'm not sure. I'm very interested in the token. I'm actually not interested in the token, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet, just like any other person you see online. See you next video. Bye.